Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Cart Notices for WooCommerce. Introduction to WooCommerce Cart Notices. In this video, I will introduce you to the WooCommerce Cart Notices plugin. Let's get started. This plugin helps you display dynamic messages to your customers during checkout or anywhere on your site. It's great for boosting sales and improving the customer experience. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Cart Notices. For store owners, it's a powerful tool to encourage sales. For customers, it provides helpful reminders like free shipping offers or deadlines. There are 5 types of cart notices. Deadline. Create urgency, like order within the next hour. Categories. Promote related category sales. Minimum amount. For free shipping or discounts. Refer. For traffic from specific sites like Google. Products. Upsell or cross-sell products. Shortcode reference. You can display these notices dynamically using shortcodes. For example, use WooCommerce_notice to show all notices or target specific ones. You can also add new cart notices by clicking on the Add Cart Notice button. In the Cart Notice dashboard, you can also see already created cart notices. You can see their details like name, type, message, call to action URL, and other details. You can use these shortcodes to display notices anywhere on your site. Now, let's see a cart notice in the checkout page. Go to my website and click on Visit Site. Now, open a product, add to cart, and proceed to checkout. This is the cart notice displayed on the checkout page. And that's it. With WooCommerce Cart Notices, you can create targeted dynamic messages to boost sales and improve the customer experience. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.